Hi, my name is Heena Momaya, and I'm one of the academic advisors here at Lone Star College-Kingwood, Division of Student Services, Department of Advising. I'm super excited to be here today to go over some information about the degrees and services that Lone Star College has to offer. Lone Star provides a variety of degree plans and certificates. Transfer degrees, such as our Associates of Arts and Associates of Science plans, are ideal for students who are planning to get their bachelor's degree and beyond, as these AA and AS plans are designed to transfer to public four-year universities. Students can pursue a general AA or AS degree, or they can choose an area of specialization, some of which include an Associates of Arts in Teaching, an Associates of Arts in Criminal Justice, or an Associates of Science in Biology. It is, however, important to always meet with your advisors to make sure that you're taking the right courses for your degree plan and to research transfer resources. Lone Star College also offers technical degrees, often referred to as an Associates of Applied Science degree. These AAS plans typically take about 2 years to complete, depending on the program, and while they do include some general education courses, mostly focus on courses that will meet requirements for certain skill sets in the workplace. Some of our AAS degrees here at Kingwood campus include nursing, process technology, and cosmetology. Lone Star College also offers programs for students wishing to enter the workforce more quickly. Our certificate programs usually take between a few weeks to a year to complete and equip students with specialized knowledge that they'll need to know in their field. Once a student picks a plan, they're assigned to an area of study. This ensures that the student will stay with one advisor throughout the course of their time at Lone Star College. Our areas of study also help students pick a specific plan from a broad interest. Lone Star College offers many different resources for student success, which you'll hear about in more detail. We, as advisors, are always available to help. Whether you're a first-time college student, coming back to continue your education, taking dual credit classes through your high school, taking English classes as an ESOL student, or a veteran, advisors have the answers you need, and we look so forward to meeting with you.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.